In this video, I will show you how to unsend all Instagram messages once. So if you're feeling lazy and you don't want to unsend it one by one, here's what you're going to do. You just have to go to your messages right here and then pick a message that you want to reply to. Let's say this one. And let's say I keyboard smash on this person right here. And I have to unsend it. However, it takes time to unsend it. Now, all I have to do is to long press each and every message that I send. So let's say click on unsend. Click on unsend again. Click on unsend. And unsend. I can even also unsend a message that was sent a long time ago. Let's say this one right here, I can unsend it also. However, I can't really unsend all of those Instagram messages at once, but I can unsend a message that happened a long time ago. There is just no way to unsend all Instagram messages at once. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!